Welcome once again to one of those episodes where we explore the causal relationship between components in the circuit. Let's get to it. Welcome once again to the series, and I'm sure this time you can't wait to explore this fascinating investigation that I'm going to unveil right now. In the previous session, which I believe you must have seen, we talked about what happens to the speed of the motor if I increase or decrease the number of motors in the circuit. And we can see how increasing the number of motors in the circuit affected the speed of the motor. Now this time we want to look at something really interesting, and maybe that might even give you an idea into why some fans spin faster, or all those devices that use motor go fast at one point and slow at the other point. So what happens to the motor speed if I increase or decrease the number of cells or battery in the circuit? Let's get started immediately. Firstly, from my investigation, you can tell that we'll need a cell, which is just one cell over there. I will need a motor, which I have here already. I will need a switch. I have that here already. So it's just time to connect them together and have them work once again. Let's get started. Now that the circuit is connected, positive, negative, and I have my switch. So it's time to turn on the switch and see the effect on one motor. You can see one cell, one motor, and that's what we have. Just observe. Now switching to two cells immediately. Two cells now, turning on the switch. I'm sure you can even hear the buzzing sound, and paper tape almost invisible. What happens if I add 3 cells? Let's find out. So we have 3 cells and motor. So looking at this, I really need this to hold this fast and firm. See, a quick grip. Let's try and see what happens. I'm sure you can hear the buzzing sound now. And a quick connection again. Can you still see the paper tape? What can you observe? Did you listen to the sound?